Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking a look at the best water bottle insulated stainless steel leak-proof. Wait, not quite. Actually, this is a full review of the GrowDaily Drum Practice Pad Snare Drum Stand Set. But don't go anywhere. If you're a drummer or aspiring to be one, this might just be the best practice gear you'll add to your setup. Let's dive in. At first glance, the GrowDaily Drum Pad Kit doesn't just look sharp in its gray finish. It also promises functionality for both beginners and experienced drummers. At the heart of the package is the 12-inch double-sided silent drum pad. This pad is designed to mimic the feel of a real snare drum, offering realistic rebound thanks to its high-resilience rubber top. On the underside, there's a softer surface, giving you a dual-playing experience ideal for practicing different dynamics and improving your control. Now let's talk about construction. The drum pad features a solid poplar wood base combined with high-density shock-absorbing cotton. Less noise, more focus, and a playing feel that closely mirrors an actual snare, without annoying the neighbors. Alongside the pad, the kit includes a snare drum stand. It's no afterthought. The stand is flexible and sturdy, with a double-braced tripod base and an adjustable basket that securely holds the 12-inch pad. You can set it anywhere between 19.5 and 31.5 inches high, making it perfect whether you're seated or standing. That adjustability makes it great for both kids and adults. But GrowDaily doesn't stop there. Included in the set are 3 pairs of high-quality maple drumsticks. These aren't cheap throw-ins. They're well-balanced, smooth, and durable, giving you options to experiment with grips or share with fellow drummers during lessons or jam sessions. Portability is also a major plus. The dedicated black carrying bag neatly fits the drum pad, stand, and all accessories. Whether you're heading to class, a friend's house, or a rehearsal space, this all-in-one bundle is designed to be taken on the go. The stick bag also gives you a place to keep everything organized. Let's not forget the value you're getting. For the price, the GrowDaily kit doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. You're getting a full practice setup that feels professional but is accessible enough for beginners. There's no need to buy a stand separately or hunt for compatible sticks. Everything you need is already in the box. From a durability standpoint, the materials hold up well under consistent use. The rubber doesn't wear down easily, and the stand remains stable even after repeated adjustments. It's this combination of thoughtful design, included accessories, and build quality that makes the GrowDaily Drum Practice Pad Set a standout in its category. If you're looking for an all-in-one drumming solution that's quiet, portable, adjustable, and built to last, the GrowDaily Drum Practice Pad Snare Drum Stand Set is an absolute no-brainer. It's ideal for home practice, warm-ups before gigs, or just building your rudiments without the need for a full drum kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or your own experience with this kit. Until next time, keep practicing and keep playing.